Hi guys, it's Vikram from Solution Domain. Today in this video we are going to see solution for verify domain ownership via DNS record in Google Search Console. Copy the given TXT record and go to cPanel. Log into cPanel using your username and password. In the cPanel search bar you need to type Zone Editor and click enter. Next, under domains, you need to select your domain and click on manage button. Next, under zone records, you need to click on plus add record button. Select the type as TXT. In the record box, you need to paste the copied text from the Google Search Console. Next, under name, you need to copy your domain name and paste it in the box. After that, click on Save Record button and you will see a pop-up message saying you successfully saved the following TXT record for a particular domain. You will see the name of the domain name. Coming back to Google Search Console and click on Verify button. It will check for the verification. Boom, here you can see my ownership is verified for the domain name provided. And this is how we verify domain ownership via DNS record in Google Search Console.